Hello friends, myself Kush Durgi from Belgaum. My pen name is Ankush Durgi. Today I am giving you another special video on Vedic math, especially making the cubes of double digital numbers. It's a very useful video for all the students because I am giving here both the formats, means how to make the squares of the double digital number in both the format, means in a modern maths whichever we are studying in the school colleges, that is called a modern maths, and also I am giving lecture on Vedic maths also, how the cubes are made of double digital number by the help of Vedic as well as by the help of modern maths, means I am always giving the comparison between both of these easily. Because of this comparison you can get the proper knowledge which takes more time and which takes less time, which is useful in everyday life and which is useful in competitive exams. Please better to remember that these both are useful for all of us, because the modern maths is our school college syllabus. We must follow our school college syllabus. And the Vedic maths, that is Indian traditional mathematics, which is useful to get answers in a very short span of time, in a very quick manner. And this is useful in all the competitive exams or the test. Wherever you will go, you will come across the Vedic maths. So, and also the Vedic maths empowers our brain activities, means we become the super students. So, in all the way, both are useful. Let us see how the squares are made in both the format by the help of the Vedic system study techniques and the modern techniques. Here I have made some examples here to understand in a very wide range how to make the cubes of the double digital numbers. Please remember that if you have not still subscribed my channel, that is Ankush Durgi, please subscribe now only and do press the bell. Then by watching, if you like my videos, please share to each and everybody by liking all the videos, that all that whoever are in your contacts, that all friends, relatives, students, teachers, neighbors, all that who are in our contact, please share them to each and everybody. Means you can improve your knowledge very properly, very easily. In the same way, you will help to increase others' knowledge in a very short span of time, in a very easy manner. So remember that my YouTube channel is totally free of cost and its name is Ankush Durgi. There is my also Facebook account, that's also Ankush Durgi, that is also free of cost. And another account is there, that is Instagram, that is also Ankush Durgi, which is also free of cost. Please follow my all the things and better to say to all of your people. Yes, come on. Here, let us start how the cubes are made of the double digital numbers. First, we will see that here the list of cubes, means we have the list of cubes of numbers from 1 to 9. If we know that these cubes, then easily we can do the problems. Here the cube of first is 1 and cube of second is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343 and cube of 8 is 512 and last the cube of 9 is 729. By the help of these cubes, we can easily solve these problems. Let us start how the cubes are made by the help of modern maths as well as Vedic maths. First, we will follow the modern math system, means our school college system. Here, for example, we are taking here the square of 13, means 13 square, 13 whole square. This can be written in the modern form, that is 10 plus 3 whole cube. See that cube of 13 can be written as in the modern form, that is 10 plus 3 whole cube. For this we apply the formula, that is cubic formula, a plus b whole cube, and its expansion is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square. This is the expansion of a plus b whole cube. Then now let us see that here the value of a is 10 and value of b is 3. Then now substitute these values, means a equals 3 and a equals 10 and b equals 3. Substitute these value in this cubic expansion. Then a cube, that is 10's cube, plus 3. Here a square is there, so 10 square into b 3. Then bracket complete. Next, here plus 3, then a, that is 10 inside the bracket complete. Then in another bracket b square, that is 3 square. Last b plus b cube, that is 3 cube. Now let us open the brackets or make the cubes and squares here. Here cube of 10 is 1000, means 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000, plus then 3 inside the bracket 10, it's a square. Square of 10 is 100. 100 into 3, 300. 300 into 3, that is 900. Plus, this is again square of 3, that is 9. 9 into 10, that is 90. 90 into 3, 270. Plus 3 cube, that is 27. 3 into 3 into 3, that is cube, 27. By adding these all, we are getting 2197. And this is the answer. That is the square of 30. This is cube of 30, not square, please. It's a cube of 30, means cube of 13 is 2197. This is according to our school college syllabus, means modern maths. Now let us see how this can be solved by the help of Vedic maths. Here, whatever the smaller process you are getting here, it's a Vedic process or the Vedic technique we are using here. Yes, come on here. Let us see how that can be done. 13 cube. Here we are getting two digits, that is 1 and 3. First digit is 1 and second is 3. Then there is a rule. We are taking these numbers in 4 groups. First group is the cube of first, means 1 into 1 into 1. 1's cube is 1. That is 1 we are taking here. This is called first group. Now second group. In that second group we do the process that the square of first into second. Then 1, its square is also 1. And 1 into 3, that is 3. Is it clear? Yes, come on. Now, second group over. Now let us go to the third group. In third group, we do again the same process, but we do the square of second and do the multiplication with first. That is, square of 3 is 9 and multiplication with first. That is 9 into 1, that is 9. And at last, in the fourth group, we put the cube of last one, means second one. That is cube of 3, 27. Okay. Now, by leaving first group and last group, we have to double the middle two groups. Means no numbers are taken for the first and last groups. And the middle, both the groups are doubled. Here 3 into 2, that is 3 is double 6, and double of 9, that is 8. And now let us go on adding these all 4 groups. Here from the last group, that is 27, we are getting. Instead of 27, we have to write down here as answer, that is only single digit, the digit which is in unit place, that is 7, and 2 should be carried on for the next group, that is 2, this is carried on, that is 18 plus 2, 20 plus 9, 29. That from 29 we must put here 9 only, and 2 should be again carried for the next group. Next here 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. From that 11 we have to put the 1 and another 1 which is in tens. That should be taken to the carried for the first next group. That is 1 plus 1, we are getting 2. Overall, we have now answer, that is 2197. See that how in a short span of time, in a very quick manner, we got answer. That is cube of 30, which is similar to earliest one. Means we got the same answers in both the process. That is according to the Vedic and according to the modern maths. if we compare these two, we are getting in a very quick manner answers in Vedic maths. You can use this process in all the competitive exams and also for the cross checking of the answers. But in the school colleges, we have the syllabus of modern maths. We must follow that process also in school colleges. Okay, let us see another example how we can solve by the help of Vedic maths. You can also solve these problems by the help of modern math system also. You can try, you will get the answer. Now I am giving here only in the Vedic format. Now here next question is that cube of 25. Cube of 25. Then let us follow the same process, that is cube of the first. Here first is 2, its cube is 8, and for the second group, first group over, cube of first, and in the second group we take that square of first and into second, means square of first is, that is 2 is 4, square of 2 is 4, 4 into 5, that is 20. And now the third group, in third group we do the reverse process, that is square of second and multiplication with first, that is square of 5 is 25 into 2, multiplication with first, means 50. We have got 50, that is in the third group. Then last group, as usual, it's a cube of second one, that is 5 is the second digit, its cube is 125, that is 125. Then now, leaving empty or blank the first one and last one group, that is cubes digits, then we have to double the middle both the groups. Here we are not putting here any digits or the numbers below the 8, that is first, and below the 125, that is the last group. But middle groups both should be doubled, that is 20's double is 40 and 50's double is 100. Okay, let us add these all things now. Here 125, among these three digits we have to take as an answer the last digit, that is unit digit, that is 5, and these 12 should be carried out for the next group, that is 100 plus 50, 150 plus 12, that is 162. Among these digits again we have to write down in the answer last one, that is digit in unit, that is the 2, and we have to carry on the 16 for the next group. Okay, here 40 plus 20, that is 60, and plus 16, that is 76. Again here the last digit, that is 6, should be taken for the answer, and 7 should be taken to the next one, that is 8 plus 7, that is 15. Now we have the answer, means the cube of 25 is 15,625. 15,625 is the answer, that is cube of 25. Okay, let us see the last one, how this can be done here. The last example, that is cube of 94. 94 is a very big number in cubic system, because always we use the cubes up to 30 normally, but I am giving you here the solution up to 99, means cubes are double digital numbers. Actually, this much bigger numbers are not needed normally, but sometimes these will be helpful. Anyhow, let us solve that one. We have formula, we have ideas, we have techniques, then we can easily answer them, we can easily solve them. So anyhow, whatever it may be, bigger or biggest or a smaller or smallest, whatever it may be, the formula is formula, rule is rule, that gives the perfect answer in all the processes for all numbers, whatever it may be. Okay, let us see that how the cube of 94 is created here. That is, as usual, our Vedic technique. I am also solving this by the help of Vedic techniques. You can try this by the help of modern math system. You can do that. I can easily say that everybody can do these problems if you follow the proper process of mathematical system, all the formulas, whatever it may be, either in the Vedic form or in the modern math form. You can do this. Yes, come on. Here, the cube of first means cube of 9. We know that already. Cube of 9 is 729. That is 700. See that, you can see here, the cube of 9 is 729. So by taking this, we can easily answer these questions. That is, cube of 9 is 729. And now for the second group, this is first group over second group. In second group we do that square of first and multiplication with second. That is, square of 9 is 21 into 4, which gives us 324. Now third group, that is, in third group we do that square of second and multiplication with first. That is, square of 4 is 16 into 9, that is 144. And last group, that is the cube of second, that is 4, cube of 4 is 64. It means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. That is 64. Then now, as usual, we have to leave both the places, means the first one and last one groups places. There we should not write any numbers, but the middle two groups should be doubled. That is, here no number should be written, and here also no number should be written. Now here double of 324 is 648, and double of third group, that is 144 is 288. Now let us add these all things. That is, here again the same process we have to follow. From every group, we have to put the last digit, that is which is in unit for the answer, and remaining should be carried out carried for the next group. Here from 64 we have to write down the 4 in the answer part, and 6 should be carried for the next group. Then by adding these all, that is 144 plus 288 plus 6, we get 438. Among those three digits, we have to put down the 8 for the answer, and 43 should be carried for the group, next group. Here, now here 324 plus 648 plus 43. By adding these all, we are getting 1015. 1015. Among these all unit digits, we have to put 5 for the answer, and remaining 101 should be carried out. That is, here by adding these two means 729 plus carried thing, that is 101. By adding these both, we are getting 830. It means we have the answer here 8,30,584. It means this is the cube of 94. See that? This is the cube of 94, which is in lakhs. So anyhow, these both the techniques you will help a lot to solve the problems, any type of problems, means concerned with the cubes of the double digital numbers. So I hope you have got the complete meaning, you have got the complete ideas and perfect knowledge how to make the cubes of double digital number by the help of Vedic technique as well as by the help of our modern maths, means the school college system. Here I have given you simultaneously both the solutions for the same question. So better to follow these both the systems, you will get maximum marks, and you will get deeper and deeper knowledge in these all the things, by which your maths will become super faster. And remember that there is my slogan. I am always saying that there is my slogan, that is, nobody is dull and no subject is tough, but we have to follow some techniques, tricks, methods, ideas, and also we have to continuously do the practice on these all the things. Reading, writing, and practicing must be there. Without these all things, we will not get much more knowledge in any subject. If you follow these all things, you will get each and every problem solved. So better to follow my these all things. And at last, I am asking you, I am requesting that if you have not still subscribed my channel, please subscribe now only, and press the bell and share my videos to each and everybody, whoever are in your contacts, all that students, teachers, friends, relatives, neighbors, each and everybody will get the super benefits of these all things. I hope we will again discuss the many more things in coming videos, and you have now the chance to improve yourself better and better, uh, all the mathematical procedures in a better manner, and also you can help to others to improve their knowledge by sharing my all the things. Okay, anyhow, I am very very thankful to one and all for watching my all the videos and supporting me at maximum. Thank you, thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar.